You're welcome back from break. Let's continue from where we stopped the other time. Example 8. Find the standard deviation of the above distribution. In the distribution, we have class interval, which is, so we have frequency. Definitely, we will have x value, which is midpoint value. It's going to be our x value. Then we have fx, because we will need mean. Then we have deviation, that is x minus x bar. We will need the square of the deviation. And finally, frequency times square of deviation. Frequency times the square of deviation. And that ends the table. So, our class interval, like this, 6 to 8, 9 to 11. Frequency 2, 4, and 6. Summation F will be 12. Our midpoint value, which is going to be our x value, will be the mean of the class interval. 3 plus 5 is 8, divided by 2, 4. 6 plus 8 is 14, divided by 2, 7. 9 plus 11, 20, divided by 2, 10. That's our midpoint value, which represents x value on grouped data like this. Now, our fx will be frequency times x, that is 8. That is 2 times 4, 8. 4 times 7, 28. 6 times 10, that is 60. Addition of our fx will be 60 plus 28, that is 88, plus 8, that is 96. Our summation fx will be 96. Now, we need to find our mean. Mean, which is calculated mean, is summation fx over summation f, and that is summation fx is 96. Summation f is 12. And the answer to that is 8. 96 divided by 12 is 8. So that means our calculated mean, the x bar, is 8. If that is the case, let's find the deviation. The deviation will be x value minus calculated mean. X value here is 4. The calculated mean is 8. 4 minus 8 is minus 4. If you use absolute value there, it is not a crime. If you use it, it is not a crime. And if you don't use it, it will negate itself. Look at it. 7 minus 8, that is minus 1. 10 minus 8, that is positive 2. Under the variance level, squaring it is 16. When you square negative 4, it becomes positive 16. This is positive 1. This is positive 4. 2 square is 4. Now, we need frequency to multiply the square of the deviation. Frequency 2 times the square of the deviation. 2 times 16 is 32. 4 times 1 is 4. 6 times 4, that is 24. 32 plus 4, that is 36. 36 plus 24, that is 60. So, summation f into x minus x bar square is 60. Therefore, the standard deviation is equal to square root of summation f into x minus x bar all square divided by summation f. That's the formula. Square root of this summation f into x minus x bar all square is 60. Divided by summation f. Summation f is 12. Square root of 60 divided by 12 is 5. So answer is square root of 5. And that tallies with option B. Let's look into example 9. Find the variance of the numbers k, k plus 1 and k plus 2. Some students will be scared, mere seeing the algebraic terms. But don't be scared. Let's see. This is your x value. X value is k plus 1, k plus 2. X minus x bar. Absolute. And if it is not absolute, since it is variance, scaling it will take care of it. Then it will be x minus x bar all square at variance level. It will be squared. Now, all we need first is to find calculated mean. Calculated mean is summation x over n in this case. Summation x, because it is non-tabulated. Summation x over n. What are the x values? K plus 1 plus k plus 2 divided by 1, 2, 3. So, and that is k plus k, that's a 3k, plus 1 plus 2, that is 3, divided by 3. Factorizing the numerator, you have 3 into k plus 1, divided by 3. So, mean is k plus 1, because 3 will take care of 3. Now, let's now use the mean here. The mean is x bar. X value minus x bar. These are our x value. K minus k plus 1. Let me work it here for you so you see k, this k, minus k plus 1. That is what we are doing. This means k minus 1. You open the brackets with the negative sign. So this, take care of this, you have minus 1. Do you understand? And if you want to consider absolute value, you don't need to put the negative sign there. Should we consider absolute value? Let us. So you don't put the negative sign there. Just find the difference between them. So the next one is k plus 1 minus k plus 1. No, that is 0. K plus 1 minus k plus 1, that is 0, because it will be k plus 1 minus k minus 1. This takes out of this takes out of this. That is 0. Now, k plus 2 minus k plus 1. This is k plus 2 minus k minus 1. K takes out of k. 2 minus 1, that is 1. In the variance level, you square deviation. 1 square is 1. 0 square is 0. 1 square is 1. Addition of these is 2. Variance, therefore, equals summation x minus x bar all square divided by n, which is summation x minus x bar all square, which is this, is 2. Divided by n. What is n? N is the number of items. 1, 2, 3. That is 3. So the correct option here is option A, 2 over 3. Let's consider example 10, which is going to be the last example I'm going to give you under measure of dispersion. Find the positive value of x if the standard deviation of the numbers 1, x plus 1 and 2x plus 1 is square root of 6. We have these options. The first thing we have to do first is to find our mean. Our calculated mean should be summation x over n. Summation x over n is 1 plus x plus 1 plus 2x plus 1 divided by 1, 2, 3 divided by 3. And that is 3x plus 3 divided by 3. 3 into x plus 1 divided by 3. Answer is x plus 1. X plus 1 is the mean of this distribution. If that is the case, then now let's generate our table. X value, we have 1, x plus 1, 2x plus 1. We have x minus x, that is a deviation column. We have x minus x bar or square, that is variance column. And it is the variance column we use for standard deviation, since standard deviation is the square root of variance. So our mean is x plus 1. Finding the difference between the x value 1 and the calculated mean x plus 1. The difference there is x. Look at it. The difference between x plus 1 and 1 is x. And if you subtract x plus 1 from 1, absolutely, answer will be x. And if you don't calculate it absolutely, you will get negative x. But here we are calculating absolute value. Also, the difference between the x value x plus 1 and the calculated mean x plus 1 is 0. Also, the difference between the x value 2x plus 1 and the calculated mean x plus 1, the difference is x as well. If you want to find out, subtract x plus 1 from 2x plus 1. You get x. If you don't know how to do this subtraction, this is it. 2x plus 1 minus x plus 1. This is 2x plus 1 minus x minus 1, because you use this negative sign to open the bracket. So 2x minus 1 is x. Positive 1, negative 1, that's 0. So you have x left. That is it. I hope you understand. Fine. Squaring this, you have x squared, 0, x squared. So addition of this column is 2x squared. Therefore, standard deviation equals, according to the question, square root of 6. We have been given to be square root of 6. But our own standard deviation is square root of summation x minus x bar all square divided by n, and it is equal to square root of 6. Now that it is equal to square root of 6, it means square root of summation x minus x bar square. This is x minus x bar square, 2x square. 2x square divided by n. N is the number of items. 1, 2, 3. That is 3 equals square root of 6. Square both sides. To delete the square root sign, we have 2x squared divided by 3 equals 6 over 1. Cross multiply. 1 times 2x squared, we have 2x squared, which is equal to 3 times 6, that is 18. X squared then equals 9. Take square root of both sides. You have x equals plus or minus square root of 9. X equals plus or minus 3. But the question requires positive value of x. Therefore, x equals 3, the positive value of x. And the correct option is option C. And that is where we are going to draw the curtain. Please, I want to enjoin you to subscribe. I know you enjoy the class, but don't just enjoy the class alone. Subscribe, like, tell your friends to enjoy the same thing you are enjoying, in order for all of us together to promote the channel. God bless you.